Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 20 Pro, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you will want to open up the standalone contacts application, which for me is right over here. And once it's open, you want to tap on the three bars, go to settings, and at the bottom you'll find import option. So here you want to select import from SIM card. And once you do that, it will show you all the contacts on the SIM card. So you can deselect contacts that you don't want, and if you already have some kind of contacts that are deselected in this list and grayed out so you cannot select them, don't worry, those contacts already exist on your device and the phone is just trying to prevent you from making duplicate contacts. So when you're from here, select import, and there you go. As you can see, it tells you how many contacts have been imported, and if you go back, you will be able to see them right over here. So that is how you could import your contacts, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.